Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about reason behind the using of eco-friendly Ganesha. Children, Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chauthi, is one of the most celebrated festival of the Hindus that marks the birth of Lord Ganesha. Let us discuss the tradition of Ganesh Visarjan. On the last day of the festival, the tradition of Ganesh Visarjan takes place that concluding the day of 10th day festival is also popularly known as Anant Chaturdasi. As the word Visarjan implies, on this day, immersion means Visarjan means immersion of Lord Ganapati's idols takes place in rivers, seas, or water bodies. On the first day of the festival, the devotees marks the beginning of Ganesh Chaturthi with the placement of Lord Ganesha's idol in their homes, public places, and offices. On the last day, the devotees come out in processions carrying the idols for their beloved god and perform immersion. There is an interesting story behind the legend of Ganesh Visarjan. It is believed that God Ganesha returns to Mount Kailasa to join his parents Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati on the last day of the festival. The celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi also denotes the significance of the cycle of birth, life, and death. Ganesh, who is also known as the Lord of New Beginning, is also worshipped as the remover of obstacles. It is believed that when the idol of Ganesha is taken out for immersion, it also takes away with it the various obstacles of the house, and the obstacles are destroyed along with the Visarjan. Every year, people wait with great anticipation to celebrate this festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. And like always, we also hope that this year too, the remover of obstacles will shower us with his blessings and wipe out all the struggles from our life. Yes, now all you need to know about plaster of Paris idols. It is also called POP. I am sure that you won't buy plaster of Paris idols for Ganesha festival or Durga Puja after listening this article. The POP means plaster of Paris, or Plaster of Paris has gained more popularity in very lesser time. Every year, thousands of Plaster of Paris idols find their way to market and get sold out. But what makes POP so popular? POP idols are so popular because people love them and artists love to make them. Every year after the end of Vinayaka Chaturthi festivals, officials of government agencies and NGOs are faced with the task of cleaning towns of debris and garbages from the city beaches. Environmentalists have repeatedly pointed to the dangers of using plaster of Paris in making the idols, but till date there has been no clear policy on this issue. Several governments have made efforts to ban the sale of POP idols, but the move has faced tough resistance. Experts say that the main issue here is the absence of detailed study on the matter and lack of the sustained campaign to highlight the dangers of using polluting substance in the making of idols. If we look at the chemical composition of POP, the material is developed by heating gypsum in temperatures ranging from 250 degrees to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It again turns to gypsum when it comes in contact with water. This gypsum is a naturally occurring substance, and the idol making argue that it is harmless. On the other hand, there is an argument that POP and the chemical paints that are used to color the idols contain heavy metals which are toxic, said by Professor V.V. Prasad Rao, head of the Department Environment Sciences at Andhra University. The paint is used to contain heavy metals, lead and cadmium, which can lead to neurological disorders and cancer. A senior biologist from USA said that one of the POP idols are immersed in water, be it in a river or a sea. The heavy metals present in the idols are dissolved in water and enter the food chain through marine species and agricultural produce. Environmentalist Bolisetti Satyanarayana said that once POP idols are immersed, the material turns to gypsum paste and damages the ecology of water bodies and causes a drop in dissolved oxygen. The toxic chemicals used in the paint the idols are increase the toxin levels in the water. Now let us discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of plaster of Paris. Advantages of using plaster of Paris idols. First one, it is light in weight and durable. Second one, easy to mold into any shape. Third one, has low thermal conductivity. Next, good for fire resistance and heat insulation, and it does not shrink while sitting. Therefore, it does not develop cracks on heating or setting. Easy to mix up with water and easy to spread and level. It has adhesive on fibrous material and does not react with paint and does not cause alkali attack. Provides a lot of shiny and smoothness to the surface. Let us discuss the disadvantages of plaster of Paris. Not suitable for exterior finish as it is slightly soluble in water. Cost is higher than the cement or cement lime plaster. Not suitable for moist situations, and pop idols are not eco-friendly. So skilled labor is required for precise application for plaster of Paris, which results in higher labor cost. Vinayaka Chavithi celebrations are mostly limited to households, but over the years public celebrations have been gained ground. Today in the city alone, but 2000 pandals are erected, and in most cases the idols exceed a height of 4 feet. Till about 5 to 6 years ago, 90% of idols installed in the pandals were made up of POP, but now there is a slow but steady change with organizers coming forward to use clay or eco-friendly idols, said an officer from AP Pollution. Let us discuss the reasons an eco-friendly Ganesha is good for us. See, how is our Ganesh Chaturthi preparations going on? Usually people start preparing for this festival days before the actual day. Many Bollywood and TV celebrities have been sharing their plans for the festival celebrations, with some even making Ganesha idols at home. But with all the celebrations, there is one very essential consideration you need to make: eco-friendly Ganesha idols versus the traditional plaster of Paris ones. While the ones made up of POP are very attractive, cheap and easy to make, the eco-friendly ones can do a lot of good for health and the environment at a large. Eco-friendly Ganesha idols are those that are made up of clay, natural fibers, papers and other biodegradable materials. These idols, when immersed in water, degrade faster and do not harm the environment as much as the one made up of POP. So, to help you make the move towards a more eco-friendly Ganesha Chaturthi, here are 4 reasons and eco-friendly Ganesha idols is the best way to go. First one, it does not pollute natural water resource. One big drawback of Ganesha idols made up of POP is the fact that POP does not degrade easily, leading to severe consequences like polluted water. The material also increases the acid content of water sources and can kill natural life in the water. While we may not think much of this, you must realize that life that survives in water are an essential part of our ecology. Not only do they help keep the water pure and healthy, but they also help keep common pests like mosquitoes at bay. Fish found in lakes and ponds feed on mosquitoes, keep their numbers in check. Apart from all these, studies have found that people who use this polluted suffer from a host of medical conditions like infection, lung diseases, ailments related to the skin, blood, and eyes. Next one is metal content in water affects the quality of foods. Pop contains chemicals like magnesium, gypsum, phosphorus, and sulfur. The dyes that are commonly used to decorate the idols are also contain mercury, cadmium, arsenic, lead, and carbon. When these idols are immersed in water, common water sources like the sea, ponds, lakes, etc., it gets contaminated with high amount of metal and other chemicals which kill fish and plants that live in water. Not only does this lead to a phenomena called dead water body, wherever the water body cannot harbor any life forms, but could also lead a heavy metal poisoning causing due to the consumption of fish contaminated with these metals. When injected, these heavy metals are known to interfere with several systems of the body like nerves, circulatory, and digestive system. Dyes and glitter on plop idols can harm you as well. Yes, apart from the above risk, the dyes that are commonly used to color Ganesha idols made of pop can be harmful to you and your family. Apart from that, the glitters that is used to add the special sparkles to the idol may also rub off on your hands and clothes. When inhaled, this glitter can cause damage to your lungs, affect your eyes, and even cause allergies in some places. In contrast, an eco-friendly Ganesha idols poses none of this risk. Fourth one, eco-friendly Ganesha idols can be a family bonding exercise. Yes, the best part about owning an eco-friendly Ganesha idols is the fact that you can make them yourself. You might need some guidance initially, but later it can be a lot of fun to create your own idol. When the whole activity can be a great way of family bonding and allows you and your family members an opportunity to unleash their creativity. You can choose from a variety of materials like paper mask, clay, atta, and even turmeric to make your very own eco-friendly Ganesha idol. Thank you.